Hello everyone, this is Documentary Live, and today we see our wonderful pigeons. Pigeons are very cool, like over here as seen. And these guys have just got some rice from my mom, and it's my mom's duty to feed them every day. Oh look, over there you can see a magpie. And this is Maggie. Maggie, say hi. Hello. Maggie, why are you taking the twig? You're taking it for your nest? Okay then, bye-bye. Oh, you're not gonna go, are you? Oh, I think let's go check on the other guys. My mom gave them. Oh, look at the lorikeets. They came to have revenge. Oh, they're even eating the food. Oh no, they're fighting about. What are you doing? Let them all have their share. Those two are like, oi, let us have our share. Just eat the fruits, mate. Let us eat the fruits. Yeah, let them eat the fruits. Hey, come on, put some action in. And these are lorikeets. Wait, where are the lorikeets? Oh, there. And these are called noisy minor birds. They're very noisy. Oh, look, and there's my mummy. And they're putting some rice so that they can eat it. They're gonna come down. They're probably scared if the humans will get them. I think they like the food a lot. Especially up there. Oh yeah. Flying about. Oh yes, they're eating the fruits my mom gave them. Okay. Bye bye, little birdies.